Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you what's inside my month of June Ipsy bag. I just got this yesterday and I'm so excited to open my bag. Of course I already opened it. I really like it, see? This is brown and I have white face. So my problem is I just got foundation from a really great product and I'm so excited, and then I just realized that it's wider than my collection. So good. Anyway, we'll talk about that later. Let's open my Ipsy bag. So first is we're gonna be, so this is the bag looks like. It has this turquoise color and it says Ipsy. It says Ipsy here. I don't have this kind of brush. It's still it's a blending brush. This is what it looks like. I still haven't used it. Okay. It's a domed blending brush. So I'm gonna open it. I feel like I don't have like this kind of brush. I don't put a lot of makeup on a daily basis, but there. So can you spot the different white, brown, white, brown? Oh my gulay. All right, so I really like the tip of this one. It's dense, so I kind of like that, and I'm so excited to wear this. Thank you, Ipsy. More brushes. So the next product is this. It's called Pop Beauty. It looks like this. It looks like that. And the brand is Pop Beauty. I haven't heard of this brand, probably because I don't buy makeup a lot, but it's a really good packaging. It reminds me of Benefit, kinda. So it says here, Pout on Point from Pop Beauty. Oh, I like this packaging. It's so sleek. There. Because it's summer here in US, so the color are more warm tones, I guess. I think this is nice kung ipares din mo siya is mga pink lipstick, mga pink, I don't know, I don't really use lip liner, but I guess I have to now that I have a lip liner, right? And this is from the brand Pacifica, and it's called Cherry Gold Highlighter and Blush. This is what it looks like. There. I guess you can use either one for blush and eyeshadow, but I really like this one right here. This one, it's like it has a shimmer. Pretty. Akong iswatch ni isa kaganina kay wala klaro to. Nice. Di kayo maklaro because itong kaya akong kamot. I really like this. I think I'm gonna use this. Next is my third product is I think it's a highlighter. Yes, it's a highlighter. It's called Estate, this, and it's called Do Me. And then we're gonna open it up. Oh my god, that is so pretty. But it's a lipstick. Oh my god. Can't really see it because it's nude. Okay, so that's it for my Ipsy glam bag for the month of June. I think I like it. I'm not just so crazy about the lip. I said like the lip liner because I don't use lip liner a lot, but I might use this someday. I mean, the total, I think still okay yapon siya sa presyo. but can you believe my last month hindi ko pa siya naubos, or I never even touched some of it yet because yeah, lingaw-lingaw lang. So the next product is, I am so excited for this. I have been waiting for this mail to get to me for forever, and my Charlotte Tilbury. Ta-da! I feel like this is very expensive makeup for a lipstick of $30 or something, but it's almost my birthday and my husband is so nice to buy it for me, so he offered na siya daw magbayad, and I was like, really? So why not? So the first thing that I'm gonna show you is my lipstick. So I have the Duo, hold on, let me just read it kung ano to. So I have the Pillow Talk Lipstick Duo, and this is what it looks like. There. So ang original price nito is $68, yung dalawa na. I think each is $34. And it was on sale for 20% off. So from $68 it went down to $54.40, and I was like, wow, that's a good deal for, you know, for Charlotte Tilbury, which is really not, but I don't really need it. But this is the one I'm using right now, I'm wearing right now, is a Pillow Talk, just a Pillow Talk. Okay, now when I went to check online for the reviews of this lipstick, of course, if you really want to spend that much of a money, of course you want to see like the reviews. Sometimes it's not really pigmented, sometimes the color is not right, and I did read some reviews that some of them, the color that they posted in their website is not the same in the actual lipstick, which is, I think, is right, but I am kind of happy about it. I am so excited, and it smells really good. So this is what it looks like here, there, and this is, it says here, this is the packaging. I really like it. It's very luxurious, I guess. When you open it, it's not magnet. And it smells really good. It's not, it doesn't smell like old people. Okay, so the next one is the Pillow Talk Medium. So this is what it looks like. It's the same packaging as the other one, but this one, it says the name on it here. I feel like they look the same. What do you think? Oh my god. This foundation is what I'm wearing right now. So this is what it looks like. My shade is the 6 Neutral. This one says the Airbrush Flawless Foundation, stays all day and night. Of course, you're not gonna be wearing this all night. If you're like me, I'm magka-pimple next morning if you sleep with your makeup on, then good luck. Originally, I just bought this foundation, the Airbrush Foundation lipstick, but they Charlotte Tilbury sent me a free lip gloss. This is the Collagen Lip Bath. It has collagen enhanced lip plumping effect, enriched chuba chuba peachy plum. So in the shade Peachy Plum. I'm so excited about this. This is a full size, you guys. This is free. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Hey, it smells really good. What do you think? Oh my god. And it has that plumbing effect, you know, like minty effect, kind of like plum siya sa imong lips. I don't know if that's working, but I really like that feeling, especially during the summer because it's so hot. And then you put this on and it will give you that feeling of refresh, ma-refresh ka sa feeling. But yeah, so that's all I got. And they also sent some sample, the Wonder Glow. Actually, when you order Charlotte Tilbury in the Charlotte Tilbury website, you have I think every time you order you have some free sample and you have to select which sample you want. There's some primer, there's some foundation, there's some lipstick, like the Wonder Glow. This, and it just looks like this when you open it, and that's the sample right there. You take it out, just so thin. It's like murag shampoo na gamay. And then I want to try that one. It says here Wonder Glow Instant Soft Focus Beauty Glow Primer. So this is a primer. I might get this one if I like it. Who knows? Maybe not. Maybe this will be the last of Charlotte Tilbury. Okay, so this one is another sample. And when you open it, it has the lipstick shade. They have some Kissing and they have some Matte Revolution. Oh, I think I got this because I want to try some other stuff, and this is kind of neat. So it's just like this. So muna siyang lipstick ka siya dira. Tapos imo testingan if you really like it. Wow, that's kind of interesting. But anyway, I think that's it, guys. I have enjoyed filming this video. I hope I can edit this as soon as possible so I can share it with you, but work is crazy right now, so the schedule is really tight. I'm really looking forward to make some more videos because I have bought a lot of makeup, or not a lot, but I have bought a few makeup to try on. I have not had any time to do it. I love my job, but I feel like when I get home and see and play with my makeup, I feel like I'm refreshed and I'm ready for the new day, or for my next day, chaotic day. That is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Oh,